Good morning grade 3 and welcome to the maths class. Well children, last time we were doing this. You remember to identify the number pattern, generate the rule and complete the sequence. Now children, what I have noticed is that most of you are confused with the subtraction. Okay, so as an example, I'll just revise subtraction and I will also be doing multiplication. So let's begin children with subtraction first. So children, let's see this example of subtraction. Now look at these numbers children. 60, 57, 54, 51 and 48. If you look at it children from the right side, can you see? It's getting reduced, right? So this is nothing but it is, who can tell me what is the rule? What is the number pattern here children? Yes, think. It is simple, just think. The rule is what children? It is minus 3. How do we know it is minus 3 children? Just look at this. 60 minus 3 you get 57. 57 minus 3 you will get 54. 54 you less 3 you get 51. 51 you less 3 you get 48, right? So the rule is minus 3, right? Now let's take this example children from your textbook, okay? Now children, look here at your textbook example, the C1. Okay, I'll just write it on the board so that it is you have a clear visibility. Okay. So children, this is the same sum from the textbook. I have written it here. Now children, see this, if you look from the right side, it is reducing, right? Similar to that sum. Now we have to generate the rule and identify the pattern. Now this, by how many numbers it is being reduced children? 81, 79, 77, 75. So it is being reduced by 2, right? 81, you minus 2, you get 79. 79, you minus 2, you get 77. 77, you minus 2, you get 75. Now 75, you less 2, you will get 73. Let me write with the red pen. Okay, so you get 73. 73 you less 2 you get 71 and 71 you less 2 you get 69. Now children, you need to do this mentally, but if you cannot children, you can always do a working here on your right side. Now let's move to the multiplication example. So children, let's see the next example. Yes, look at this number line children and tell me what number pattern is this? I told you children, I said that our next example is to be multiplication, right? So look at this children, 1 into 3 is 3, 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 3 is 27, 27 into 3 is 81. Right? Now children, if you cannot multiply, you can always do your working here. 27 into 3, 7 3s are 21, 3 2s are 6, 7 8, 81. So what rule is this children? What will we write? The rule is multiplication by 3. Got it? So children, today for your homework, I want you to complete this, the rest of the exercise. Just let me clear this. Okay. So what you are going to do is, you are going to complete, you have completed till D. I want you to complete from E to I. Okay. So that's all from my side, children. Thank you and see you soon.